In this video, we're going to be covering the highest common factors and lowest common multiple. Here, we want to find the highest common factor of 54 and 90. We would start by prime factorizing these two numbers, so if you haven't yet know how to do this, I suggest watching our video on prime factorization. So for 54, these are its prime factors. By using the repeated division method, we basically find the prime that can be divided into the number, and we continuously do this until we reach 1. And then we repeat that the same for 90. To find the HCF, we would have to look at the prime factors of both these numbers on the sides and circle all the ones that they have in common. In this case, it's 2, 3, and 3. And so the HCF of 54 and 90 would be 2 times 3 times 3, which is 18. Now, finding the lowest common multiple is almost similar to finding the highest common factor. We will start off by finding out the prime factors of each number again. Using the same example of 54 and 90, we then again circle all the numbers they have in common and multiply that together. But the difference with LCM is that you then find all the remaining numbers that haven't yet been circled, which is this 3 and 5, and then we multiply them too, resulting in 270, meaning that the LCM of these two numbers is 270. Let's take a look at another LCM question, but this time it's in indices form. We have a equals 3 to the power of 5 times 7 to the power of 3, and b equals 2 to the power of 3 times 7 to the power of 4. So when you get a question like this, you should look at numbers with the smallest base number first. Starting off with 2, 2 is only a factor of b, and so we include that. So 2 to the power of 3. Next, we have a base number of 3. What we do is we take the highest value, the one with the highest power between a and b, and include that. A has 3 to the power of 5, whilst b has 3, in other words, 3 to the power of 1. So we pick 3 to the power of 5, as 5 is greater than 1. Next, we move on to base 5. We see that only a contains 5, so we can just immediately write that down. Lastly, we have a base number of 7. Again, we would have to compare their powers, and because 4 is greater than 3, we would include 7 to the power of 4. After having all these indices included, we would finally multiply them together. Often in exams, typically you can just leave it in indices form as a multiplied product like this. There is a methodology practice worksheet, which will be in the link in the description box down below, of solutions to help you guys consolidate your knowledge on this topic as well.
Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming math contents.